I don't compete with nobody, cause I know that I'm in a whole different lane. If you don't hear me, the whip hasn't started.
Ladies and gentlemen, so I have a 2020 Mustang GT, and anybody know that has an S550, they come with the rear camber. Your tire will be leaning in a little bit, so it wouldn't sit flush with your wheel line. So basically what I got is a little cheap mod from BMR, this little rear camber adjustment kit. So it bolts up to the back right here, something like that. But yeah, it bolts up back there, so you'll be able to put your wheel from having a little lean to it to straight, so you have more contact on the road, because you know we need all the contact that we can get. So basically, you know, you just take off your rear, sit in there like that, pull it out. It's only 2 bolts. And I'm about to slap this puppy in, and then when I put it in, I can show you better, so I can explain it better. So look, so basically, I'm gonna show you right here, because it low-key kicked my butt. But man, make sure you have 2 19s. I would suggest one be a ratchet wrench on the back of them, because you hold them up. These 2 bolts right here are both 19. So you slide it on top of the existing little bracket that slides out. This goes underneath, and this goes on top. Then you screw it in. So in the car, it's going to be sitting like this. All right, so this is the driver's side. Bracket is in place, as you can see. It's right there. Focus. But yeah, it's in their place. And you see that hole right there? That is where we're going to put this. Quick little tip, I got a little magnet. I center it on top. So I'm gonna go back in. Leave it like that. Get your top locking nut. This right here. Excuse my hands, bro. I've been getting beat up by this car. Yeah. So go on top. You can start it without it slipping and falling. Oh. Put it back up there like that. Just so you can start it. So I got it started. I'm gonna leave it loose for right now, because when I put this crossbolt in to the camber arm right here, man, I was fighting myself on the passenger side because I tightened it up and the bolt holes wasn't lining up. So I'm gonna leave it loose until I thread it through. And I'm gonna show you how I tighten it up with the camber arm in place, so it can save you a lot of time, because trust me, man, it was kicking my butt. All right, so see, I got the bolts, they're in. I got them semi-tight, but the top bracket up there is loose. The top bolt up there is loose. So what I do is I leave it loose so that this can fit in here, bro, because I was having a hard time. So what I do is I put a 19 through the opposite end. Let me see if I can show you. Put you right here. It's kind of hard on this side because you got your freaking gas tank filler net coming down, but you can put the 19 on the opposite end. I can't video record it, but I'm gonna get it on, and then I'm gonna come back and show you. All right, boom. So look at that's your differential. This is your exhaust. This is your input shaft. You stick your crescent, your open end 19 millimeter through, and it's going to feed underneath to where you can catch it. And this is the top, so you put your hand right here, and this is where you got your second 19 millimeter. So do that. You have one right there, and that's how you can tighten it. Do it this way. This is how it worked better for me. But yeah, I would suggest to have a swivel 19 millimeter like this, so you can get on top of that bad boy. Dang, look at my hand, boy. I'm child. But yeah, so That's how I end up doing it and made it easier for myself. I learned from doing the passenger side, but yeah. So, but yeah, guys. So everything is tight. Up top is tight. Connection top. I have my 3/8 ratchet with the. What size is this? Oh yeah, of course it's freaking stuck. With a 10 to hold back up. Everything's tight. Last thing you gotta do is tighten right here. It'll never hurt to put a little Loctite since it's dealing with suspension. You don't want no rattling, no clunking, you know, especially when a Mustang. But yeah, so this BBK Camber adjustment kit is meant to keep your tires straight, well, to stop that from leaning, so you have more contact with the floor or the road. But yeah, there you go, guys. All right, once complete, tight, tight, tight. Man, so it's really an easy installation besides getting this adjustment right. So like I said, I would leave the top bolt loose so that you can fish your boat through here. You mock everything up, so put the bolt on, leave everything loose, and then tighten that up. Like I said, put the 19mm box end wrench behind the bracket so you can hook it, and then do it from the top, then tighten this, and then connect it back. But yeah, excuse my car, man. It's Houston and it's raining, and you know it'd be dirty, so yeah. All right. I can see it sticks out a little bit. But I think that's just right.
They was trying to get me, I was living filthy, I was worried about the cloud, yeah. Stuck in the cage, I thought I was free, but the Lord came and took me out, yeah.